got some red apple fireworks. I think the first on the channel actually. CALAVERA ball shells, and these are the pistol shells. Let's take a look at them. Now, out of these, one was already missing when I got them. I got them for free, so I ain't pitching. Definitely real, machine made. Should all be a pistol effect. Let's take a look at the rating system. Pistols and Comets. Alright, check them out. Alright, these are 4 of the pistol red apple ball shells, pistols. I hope the lift didn't get messed up. One, two, three, four. Damn! For a ball shell. Oh, there goes the one. Last shell tonight. I figured one was gonna do that. The lift got messed up. Damn! For a ball shell. Oh, there goes the one.